Welcome to Innovative Coatings. We are specialized adhesive tape manufacturers serving the needs of farmers and fisheries. In this video, we will be presenting our latest product, AgroBond Pond Liner Repair Tape. Occasionally, HDPE membrane-based pond liners failed. They develop small holes, punctures, or tears that cause water to leak. These require urgent repairs. So here we are with an instant fix. Worry no more. Our AgroBond Pond Liner Repair Tape will help you to repair these holes, punctures and tears. This do-it-yourself tape will help you fix the leakage without the need to replace the whole pond liner sheet, saving you both money and time. Our AgroBond Pond Liner Repair Tape is compatible with HDPE and LDPE pond liners. Its strong adhesive performs well underwater. Our AgroBond Pond Liner Repair Tape remains flexible in all weather conditions. Let's have a look at the demo of application. First and foremost, please note that the pond must be drained before starting the repair. Now identify the hole or the cut to be repaired. Remove any sharp objects, tree roots, stones under the pond liner surface that cause the puncture or tear. Please ensure that area around the puncture or tear is free from wrinkles, folds, and is free from stretch or pull stress. Ensure that the damaged area is isolated, cleaned, and dried. The area requiring cleaning must equal the area of the repair tape, plus 3 to 4 inches around the circumference to ensure a clean surface to maximize the tape adhesion. Please clean all dirt, muck, grease or oil. Use isopropyl alcohol solution to clean if necessary and allow the area to dry completely. Cut the tape to the necessary length and cut the corners in round shape. Please cut all the corners in round shape to avoid edge lifting. Please note that this tape is for repairs of holes, tears and detached seams. It is not recommended for splicing or seaming large pond liner sheets together. It is not designed to replace welding of seams. Remove the release liner and stick the tape over the puncture or tear as straight and uniformly as possible. Peel back the release liner from one end. Align the tape with the damaged area of the pond liner. Then peel off the release liner and smooth down the repair tape. In case of any bubbles, please apply horizontal pressure to wipe the bubble towards the edge. Apply pressure with roller or hands. While repairing large tear, it is advisable to apply tape in cross direction additionally for stronger reinforcement. The length of these cross stripes should not be less than 10 inches. After applying the tape to the pond liner, your pond liner is ready to go back to work. You may start filling the pond. Do not try to remove or reposition the tape once applied on the pond liner. For more information or step-by-step application, please go through our brochure. Happy farming!